I'm making sport, lad.
Take 7. Hey, so what's happening here?
No, start again.
Sorry, I didn't like the baby. Dave, that light there on the left, yeah?
Yeah.
See the top side light in the corner?
Yeah.
Is that working?
Yeah.
Is it going dim? Put your hand over the small bit. Is it dimming down a bit?
It's off there now.
Is it, yeah?
Yeah.
Another day, David.
Another day, another dollar down.
This little clip might look familiar in one of our other videos.
Very familiar.
But
we have to keep secrets.
very secret.
There's a secret that we only realise we're not allowed to let out yet.
We were robbed. We were robbed out.
We were robbed.
Someone took something on us.
And we're not fucking happy about it.
Someone took a human on us.
No, shut up. You can't say that much now.
Why?
Because.
You can.
No, you can't.
Because we're not going to say who took him.
Yeah, but they're going to know. They're going to look around, right? It's not you and it's not me.
It's not me, right? But Craig will be back in a few minutes. Right?
See what you did there.
You see that, David? Anyway, this video's all about the Craig lad. His car, the build up of his car.
Yeah.
You know? So it is, David.
In fairness. Whenever there's anything going on with the S13,
Yeah.
every fucking nut and ball gets documented.
I know, yeah. Don't worry.
Whenever there's donuts and everything going on everywhere else, and he's like,
Yeah.
okay.
Come here, I looked through the clips that he has done himself, and he's plenty of it.
Yeah.
You know? But
You probably need to get a series out, wouldn't
he has enough. But the car's off. Where is it off? What's
it?
got
Down seeing sardine now.
back down scene 13, so he has
Timmy
that.
boy.
Yeah. So yeah, that's we'll let Craig take control now, David, yeah? I'd love to start talking about me bug, yeah?
Somebody said that in the comments on the last video, didn't they?
What?
They said something about the bug.
Yeah, they'd love to buy it.
Oh, was that what it was?
It's up for sale actually, 100 grand.
Well, whoever read that comment, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You need to see a therapist. Because there must be something not right in your head.
Well, me man, we have the same thing in common. Hey.
Yeah, a few screws loose.
Yeah. Here, just a quick one, yeah? The van is going for a wrap,
Yeah.
right?
What colour do people think?
That's what I was going to ask. What colour did he think?
Oh, now when we say, I think red.
David thinks red, I think blue.
Now red is in like, not fucking like shiny show car red. Like,
Imola BMW red.
Yeah, Imola red, like a dark, deep red.
But Dave, look, we better get off this quickly because Craig won't even put half of this in if we don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next clip, it's Craig sweating. Oh no, Craig is actually heading off to cook and collect the car for us.
Is he?
Think so. I don't know. It'll all fall into place. Craig knows what to do.
I'm gonna just say goodbye because I'm not gonna be in the rest of the clip. So I'll see you next video.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.
Hello, how are you doing everyone? So, where we last caught up with everyone was I was heading for Galway with the van and trailer to go collect something new. You didn't see any more of that because what essentially I went to go view was a ball of shite. But anyways, we're over that 6 hour return journey. Nice old spin for the trailer, get her out and about, stretch the legs. But it's more exciting news. Today is the day my car is finished being painted. Let's go over, let's collect it, and then let's see what we think. I've got pictures earlier on, money finished work, and I have all the parts there. All the parts are ready as you've seen yesterday. So yeah, let's get this thing. Now it's going to be quite a lot to do as well before I can just go flat out assembling, but loads to do tonight. It's going to be a busy one. Let's get into it. So, my first time after seeing the car after the lick of paint. My first time after putting the car into the main shed. After putting it up on stands. I'm very happy. I'm sure most of you know the colour, you might have already seen or whatever. But here it is. My PS13 is now painted. And yeah, so here it is. Fresh off the gun. Only painted this morning. But yeah, I can't wait any longer. I have a few bits to do. I have the Schultz underneath the front arches, a few little bits and pieces like this, but I'm not waiting any longer. I'm getting stuck into this thing and I want to get this. I want to see some progress tonight. I want to see some parts onto it. But a few lads are coming down to help me, to give me a hand. So let's see what we get done. Hopefully we get a lot done and I'll bring you along for the journey. So let's get right into it. Let's get this PS13 built up. Whenever I can't find you, Darren, I always know you're going to be
Fucking bollocks, yeah. Me watching fucking... Turn that off there.
ads. Watching ads.
Get off the telly. It's not what you think.
Fail compilation.
What's going on? What is this? Is this the start of the video or the end of the video?
It's that time.
Or the middle
end
one?
of the video. So
Is this This is the end of you not finishing the film. Right.
This is me not finishing.
And you're in my little car. What do you think my little lights? Look at. That's me reading light. This is David's reading light. Yeah, you never finished off the video.
The film.
The film.
Yeah, the film.
Never finished off the film. So your car's gone back to scenes 13, yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah. So what's this film all about? This is all about you kind of just assembling your car, is it? Assembling one side of the car. I don't particularly like that camera facing in my face.
You know, there's some leftover parts, but
so you're just waiting for the call off the boys, Tim, scenes 13, to get your old jammer back to really finish her.
Tim said there shouldn't be much in it. You only have shouldn't have for long. So
it's only 1 month to dub shed.
Yes.
She'll be going to dub shed.
Yeah.
Whether she's on the trailer Do you know, Ricky, yeah? Look at me here like this, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to get you to take a picture of me now in a minute like this, right? Not that I like pictures of myself, right? And you're going to take another picture, okay, in 1 month's time on the way to Dubshed. I'm going to be sitting over here chilling, maybe a beverage there. David's going to be up driving her, right? Okay? Your car's going to be in the trail at the back of her, and we're going to be doing 106, for all the guard out there, we're going to be doing 160 kilometres an hour on the motorway, flat to the mat.
With the 100km speed limiter set.
Oh yeah, she's going to do 100 kilometres an hour. And someone actually told me yesterday that these vans, yeah, are slow. So we have to get big turbo
Get her
kit,
mat.
big turbo kit for her.
Right, and that now, close out this video.
On that bombshell, like, subscribe, and all the rest of the shite. Good luck.